Hi, Michael Darminio here, and to my left.
Hi, I'm Sherry Weiner, Senior Director of Product Development. You know, your skin is your body's largest organ and is continually changing and rejuvenating itself. Age, skin type, climate, and hormonal cycle are just a few of the factors that impact the healthy appearance of your skin.
And with all of these constant changes, right, it's a really good idea to just look at your skincare regimen, right? So you just need to remember and help your clients understand that your skin needs time to adjust to a new skincare regimen before you start to see the full benefits of new products. So now let's talk specifically about the new and improved RE9 Advanced.
So when you or your client transition to RE9, it's important to note that the key ingredients in the products, such as stabilized vitamin C and sustainable orange stem cells, have high levels of antioxidants, which can help to accelerate skin cell turnover and renewal. This is great for our skin in the long term, but it could lead to some skin purging and for oilier skin types, potential flare-ups and breakouts initially. So this can last from a couple days to a couple of weeks.
So to get the full benefit and healthy looking skin improvements from RE9 Advanced, you need to continue to use the new products for at least 45 days, right? So your skin can complete a full cell turnover cycle. And while you're giving your skin a chance to adjust, don't forget to hydrate, exfoliate, and always protect.
Yeah, absolutely, those three. Number one, hydrating is important inside and out to support overall skin health. Drink an adequate amount of water and use a moisturizer in the morning and the evening to give your skin a drink on the surface. Number two, exfoliate. Exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week with RE9 Advanced Cellular Renewal Mask. This is a great way to accelerate cell turnover to remove dead skin cells and unclog pores. And number three, protect. Protect your skin with your favorite RE9 Advanced Day Cream with SPF every day, regardless of the weather or season. If you or your client has oilier skin, we'd recommend that you start by using RE9 Advanced Night Repair Cream just one night per week. This formula is very emollient and it may be too rich for your skin type, so increase the use as your skin adjusts to eventually getting to nightly use. Also, RE9 Advanced Restorative Day Cream SPF 20 is the best choice for oily skin.
So here's the bottom line. RE9 Advanced has gold standard ingredients that deliver amazing, healthy looking skin results. And for some people, you just need to give your skin that time it needs to adjust before you start to see the full benefits. For many others, you might not experience any of these concerns. We just love knowing that you are prepared with the right information should you need it. And be sure to remind all of your clients to take and share your before and after photos. We want to see your gorgeous, younger than ever looking faces. So take your before picture, take your after picture, and post and share!